Hey guys, Rohit here. So 10 months ago, I made this cola commercial. And you guys seem to like it. So this time I tried doing something similar with the Corona beer. And in this video, I'll show you how I planned and shot the commercial and how I edited it in Adobe Premiere Pro. But first I'm gonna play the whole commercial and Adobe timeline under it so you can see all the sound effects and music I used in the video. And this is what I made. The idea I had for this commercial is nowhere near the video I made because what I had in mind didn't align with my gears. It turned out while shooting that I don't have 90% of the equipment I would need to make this commercial. But I lowered my expectations for myself and made whatever I could with whatever I have, and I think it turned out pretty good. Now let's break down each shot. I'll tell you a little bit about lighting, the lenses I used for the commercial, and I'll also show you the original clips so you can get the idea what you can do with the editing softwares. So as you can see in the first shot, an empty bottle of beers comes in the frame and pushes the other filled bottle to the other side. But in reality, I shot both of these clips individually and masked them together in the post-production. I only used one light in approximately 60 degrees to the left and one halogen bulb behind the bottles to lighten up the props around the carton, but it also lightened up the carton from the behind to give it a little bit of pop from the background. And there are 4 black chart papers on the wall for the dark background. So this is what the raw footage looked like straight out from the camera. Then after masking, adding sound effects and music, this is what the final shot looks like. Then in the second shot, a hand comes in the frame and flips the bottle in the air. I used the same props from the previous shot to better sell the story. Just remove the halogen bulb behind the carton, other than that the lighting was the same. And this is what the raw shot looked like. After some editing magic and masking stabilization, this is what the final shot looked like. For the third shot, I originally wanted to take the top-down shot of the bottle, flipping in the air and showing the branding. But as I said, my gears didn't align with me. I needed a C-stand or maybe a boom arm to mount my camera, but I don't have one. I tried different methods to mount the camera, but the camera I wanted to use and lens I wanted to use for this particular shot weighed around 2.5 kg, making it nearly impossible to mount it anywhere other than a proper C-stand. So I tried to do the same thing from the front angle, but my memory card pissed on me and overheated. So I had to record it with the iPhone. That's why you can see the difference in the colors. But it came out okay. Not what I wanted, but worked for this commercial. And this is the raw shot. And this is after slowing it down a bit and after some editing. And in the fourth shot, he catches the bottle he flipped in the second shot and places it on the table and opens it with his thumb. Not possible in real life, but I think we managed to pull this off. And please know that I have added all the sound effects in the post-production. Original clips don't have any sounds in them. This is what the raw shot looked like. This is after adding some sound effects, speed ramping and some stabilization. For the final shot, I thought it would be really cool if a guy drinks the whole bottle in one go and just rolls the bottle on the table, and I'll be able to make a loop. By the way, if you want to see the whole loop of the commercial, there will be the first link in the description. This is what last two shots looks like straight out of the camera. And this is after some editing and sound effects. For the final commercial, I also added some smoke in the background and also some grains, so there is something consistent in all the shots to better sell the story. Now I'm going to show you the whole commercial without any sound effects, without any music, and without even a color grade. This is what the whole raw sequence looked like. And this is the final commercial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider hitting the like button. If you loved what you saw, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And thank you.